Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we're doing an episode of Rocket Fuel Update of Jailbreak. I've done a few episodes on this. Let's get into this. I'm going to be showing a few glitches this episode. A few glitches, a few tricks, a few, tips on it. Tips of how to rob a jewelry store and get out. If this can't be caught from the top roof, on all doors, you can get out still. I'm gonna go over to there. Also, if you can manage to get an ATV in a jewelry store, I'm gonna show you a glitch. I might not be able to show it. It'll be the same as the bank glitch. You're gonna have to climb up the wall. You're gonna have to do exactly like I do in the bank glitch to get out through the ceiling, and then you're gonna have to whatchamacallit. You're gonna have to I'm AYT. My channel is called Birdie. VertiBox Gaming. Go sub, please. Oh, gee. Ah. Kill him. Dude. Please sub to my channel. Okay, let's go over here. Here's a key. I'm gonna get guns. Get all these guns, get a binocular set, and let's move. Oh gee! Flip, flip, flip. No key. Ah. Okay. Thank you. Shout out to Set. Want a shout out? Where'd he go? Savage YouTuber. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, sorry. Savage YouTube. No, did he leave the game? Yep, he left the game. Oh, that's a bummer, because that guy just left the game. Let's go over to here. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video, and if you want to share the video, you guys leave your IGNs down below. I'll friend you. first 5 comments in the past day is one. I did not upload on Saturday because I'm Jewish. I'm kidding. I don't upload on Saturday because that's my day off of work. And I spend time with my family on Saturdays, so I can't upload. If you guys want me to upload more on Sundays and Fridays, tell me. Leave it down in the comments on any video. I will respond to that comment from you. And let's get into this. Hey, rob the gas station. Holding. One of the glitches is robbing the jewelry store, even if somebody else is robbing it. You know all those stupid no-clipper hackers? Well, say goodbye to them. Go. Oh, is that a cop? Okay, let's go check if the train's over here. That was weird. Never done that before. If you guys want to see more Phantom Forces, leave it down in the comments. On any video, really. Who wants a shout out on YT? Okay. I'm just gonna ask who wants a shout out. Oh, I can get a key card. Yeah. No. Okay. While we're waiting for the jewelry to open, let's get that helicopter. Please be unlocked. No, it's locked. Okay, go. See it. Go. I can get it. Go. No! Jump too far. No! Okay, I guess we're not robbing that train. Why is my thing falling in slow motion? Okay. Shout out to QWERTY1232 for being a great person. Asking for a shout out. If you guys are fans, leave it in the chat if you're in my game. Leave it down in the comments below. No. Oops. Okay. Rob Jewel without me. Now. Okay, let's get up. Waiting for this guy to rob it. Break it. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the glitch. You climb up here. Walk over here. Click crawl. Go like this. Zoom in. And your legs stick through. You have to do it right up here near the doors. Your legs open the door. You have to run in quickly. It's better with 2 people. Like, one person will stand and run in the door while you open the door with your legs. And then they reopen it for you. You can do it with multiple people. But then you have to go down these stuff, which is kind of annoying. Like, if there's somebody coming up, you can jump on their head, jump on top of this. Okay, go. Let's try to take no damage. Go. Go. No damage. Booyah. And the way I take out laser 1 damage from the camera is when I'm coming down or up. Okay, let's break this glass. As you all probably know, there's a way that if somebody's camping 2 of the doors, like the 2 ones that face out to the front of the jewelry, not to the back of jewelry, you can go to the middle one, and you can just hit, or really anyone, and then go into whatchamacallit, go into the I'm blanking out on words here. You can go out of the door and quickly run back in, and you'll teleport down if you're the last one in the robbery. But also, there's this trick that if you go like this, go like that, and switch teams at the cop, then you can, or prisoner. This does not work for bank. But you can go to the cop team on jewelry once you have your duffel bag, or any kind of duffel bag only on whatchamacallit, jewelry. If you guys have any other, I'm coming down. Hold on. Yes. Okay, so let's get over here. I'm not gonna show you how to glitch that one because I don't want to lose my bounty. But I'm gonna go like this one because see, there's a camper up there right there. So I'm gonna go like this, run back in. It teleports you down here. Okay, get the ATV. I can't get the ATV. Go. Okay, go over here. Redeem my money. Let's go around the train, and then I'm gonna show you guys a bank trick and a glitch in the prison after the bank. No! No! It knocked me off the train! No. No! Oh, go. Go. Jump! Yes, got on. Oh, let's get up. No! What the heck? What? That's the annoying part about the train, people. That it flings you a whole lot of times. I just moved up 1 cart and it flung me. So I guess we're going to go over to bank. Let's go get a key card and an ATV. Need thing. Okay, we have 24,000. Let's start buying safes. If you guys buy enough safes, you can. Tofu showed it on the channel. You can really get free rocket fuel. Okay, keep buying. Okay, go. Get the Bugatti. I have every car in the game besides the McLaren, the the Ferrari. Trying to think of some more. The Ferrari, the Mini Cooper, and the monster truck. That's it. I have every other car though. I'm not buying Mini Cooper because it's too slow. I have level 5 engine. I have mobile garage. I have SWAT. I have upgrade duffel bag. The only thing passes that I don't have is a VIP one, and there's the extra storage one. Okay, let's get over here. This works on any rooftop that you're inside of. So let's go like this. What? Okay, coming down. Go like this. Suspension low. You can go in here. Okay. If the ATV wall climbing glitch actually still works. Oh yeah, I have to have my suspension at high. Go up.